Hey Borigen 722.
What is it, Grayscale Scratch Cat?
Kan W gå to McDonald's, bekause i Hundgry.
No, we are not going to McDonald's.
But, Borigen 722. Udnot.
Because we are watching Babe on VHS, plus, you are still grounded.
But Borigen 722. Really Hundgry. So let's go to McDonald's.
Grayscale Scratch Cat, what did I say about going to McDonald's? I said no. We are not going to McDonald's, we are watching Babe on VHS.
You're on McDonald's, you're on McDonald's, you're on McDonald's, you're on McDonald's, you're on McDonald's.
Grayscale Scratch Cat, how many times do I have to tell you? I said no. Grayscale Scratch Cat, how many times do I have to tell you? I said no. Grayscale Scratch Cat, how many times do I have to tell you? I said no. So that means we can go to McDonald's? With only just you, me, and Draco. Come on, and let's get in the car.
When they arrived at McDonald's.
Hello, and welcome to McDonald's. How can I take your order? I would like 3 cheeseburgers with meat, bread, and cheese, and a vanilla ice cream. I would like a vanilla mixed with chocolate ice cream.
And you would like 1000 cheeseburgers, 1000 french fries, 1000 large cocks, and 2000 vanilla ice creams.
I'm sorry, but I'm afraid I can't serve you that much food.
What? Is this some kind of joke?
I wish it was, but it's not. But don't worry, how about you get a vanilla ice cream, a cheeseburger, medium french fries, and a medium Coke instead?
Oui.
Because Grayscale Scratch Cat, the clerk said that you can't order that much food. Why don't you get a vanilla ice cream, a cheeseburger, medium french fries, and a medium Coke instead?
No, what do you want? What do you want? You want 1000 cheeseburgers, 1000 french fries, 1000 large cocks, and 2000 vanilla ice cream and er dis final.
No, Grayscale Scratch Cat, you are not getting all that food, because you can end up getting sick and fat. So, you can either get a vanilla ice cream, a cheeseburger, medium french fries, and a medium Coke, or we are going straight home and you'll get nothing.
Oh, we don't eat using AME. Go ahead, Borigen 722, my finger i salra er du out.
Oh no, Grayscale Scratch Cat, stop this bad behavior right now.
Ing AME right here om McDonald's. Og, if you are not going to AME, I will hit Draco.
Ow 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 ow. Grayscale Scratch Cat, that really hurts.
Krø all you want my normal klunge.
You know what, Grayscale Scratch Cat? That's it. Let's go home right now and you will be getting absolutely nothing at all.
No, hvad er Borigen 722, please give me another chance. I will be good, I will behave.
When they got home.
Oh my god, Grayscale Scratch Cat, how dare you misbehave at McDonald's. That's it. You are grounded for 200 days. Go to your room right now and think about what you have done.
Hvad er
Draco, are you okay? Yes, Borakin 722, I'm okay. Even though Grayscale Scratch Cat kept throwing a fit over not getting what he wanted. Okay, good. But I'm glad you are okay.